Hey guys, Jason here with Jason Stewart Photography. I want to thank you for joining me. I'm doing a quick review today on Printique, which is a sister company of Adorama. And Printique specializes in doing high quality photographic prints, and I was looking for a new one-stop print company that could take care of my customers and ensure me that I have high quality products going out to my customers. And I've already received a few products, a framed print, came in excellent packaging. They white label it so that it doesn't have any of their information on it, and it looks more professional that way. And I'll show you that print in a moment, but first I'm going to do an unpacking just so you can see how the print shop packages the product and what it looks like when it arrives, so that you can be more comfortable trusting that company. I recently read a review, I think Printique sent it, but it was basically through DP Review, and DP Review ended up ordering several photos from some of the top competitors in printing, online printing, and I don't remember the exact results. I'll post that article at the bottom of this video for you though. But I was really happy because I'd already started using Printique, and Printique was #1 according to DP Review as far as closest to quality, as far as closest to I should say best quality, and as well as closest to the images that they sent after they post-processed their images. And so what we're going to be looking at today, I have two prints coming, and so one is an acrylic, and I believe that's what we're going to be looking at today. One of my landscapes from the Grand Tetons that I have called Beautiful Moments in Nature, but it could surprise me. I also have one of my wolf prints coming in a metal frame, but I believe this is the acrylic one, but that's not necessarily what this video is about. It's just to show you the packaging and also the quality of the product. So let's see what we've got here. So before I unbox this acrylic image that I just received through Printique, I wanted to just show you the framed artwork I received prior that was just came in excellent packaging. The quality of it is really well. This is a photograph I took on a recent trip to Maui with my family. That is, of course, the endangered green sea turtle. And I'm really happy with everything on this print. This is how I post-process it. I've got the wonderful colors, the gray tones and the dark tones in the clouds, the storm clouds above. I've got the beautiful sunset, not only in the background, but also reflecting off the shore line, and then we've got the endangered green sea turtle, and the title of this photograph is Endangered Beauty. You can see this photograph on my website in my gallery at jasonstewartphotography.net. But let's go ahead and open up the packaging now. I'm going to move this photo out of the way. Okay, so you see it comes in a nice box. It says fragile with care. You can see part of the white label here. It doesn't have a lot of information on it other than it came from a photo processing shipping department from Brooklyn, New York, as Adorama is based out of Brooklyn. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up now, and we can take a look at what we're getting here. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what we got here. So as you can see, there is a nice thick 1.5 inch foam core, or styrofoam I should say, not foam core, on the top and bottom of the photo. This is the acrylic print. They also have it wrapped really nicely. It feels very secure. Man, the colors just look wonderful on this. Okay, let's go ahead and continue unpacking this. I'll grab some scissors over here. I'm very impressed with the packaging. It feels very secure. Well guys, there you have it. The unboxing of Printique's acrylic print. They did a great job with the packaging. They got it to me in a timely manner, and all in all, I'm very satisfied with the print. The colors are popping off the picture, and I'm sure it's going to find a wonderful place in our home. So again, thank you for tuning in to this review of Printique. And again, the main thing was to just see how their products come packaged and what condition they end up in as they get here. And that product actually shipped all the way from New York to Southern California. So they got it here in a pretty timely manner, and I'm really happy with the product. If you like this video, please hit the like sign on it, and also subscribe to it if you'd like to get more videos from me in the future as I upload them. Again, this is Jason Stewart with Jason Stewart Photography, and I want to thank you for watching this video with me. Have a great day.